Okay, only Ayush has turned on his video. What about the others? Okay, Rameshwar. और स्लो नहीं बनना है. चलो two people. Okay, welcome back to another English class. Today, as per the schedule, we are gonna do the grammar part. So today we are gonna learn active and passive voice. Active and passive voice is something that we are learning from our lower classes. It's a very needed topic. Everybody must be knowing what an active and passive voice. For all those who have no idea about what an active or passive voice, they also can listen now. I'm not going to teach you as if I'm teaching you for the first time because you are learning it from fifth standard. But still, some people who has confusion, for them, I'm teaching. Okay, it's very simple. So the base for active passive voice is subject verb object, the very basic thing that we have learned in the very first class. How to identify a subject in a sentence, a verb in a sentence, an object in a sentence. Okay, so that identification part is very important here because active and passive voice has got so much to do with subject object. Okay, active passive voice is so much dependent on what? Subject and object and its interchange. Because when a sentence is said to be in as active voice and when a sentence is said to be in passive voice, hum dekhenge. Over to screen sharing. Just look at the screen that is being shared. Active voice, it's a sentence that has a subject that acts upon its verb. Okay? And passive voice, a subject, in passive voice, a subject is a recipient of the verb's action. He drives the car. Okay, I'm just giving an example through the chat. Okay, I hope you can see the screen. And on the chat, I am giving an example. He drives a car. Okay, everybody look at it. He drives a car. Ashutosh, he drives a car. Which is the subject in the sentence, beta?
He.
Yeah, very good. And which is the object in this sentence, Rameshwar?
Car.
Yeah, a car. है ना? कार नहीं है, कार के पहले कुछ आर्टिकल्स वगैरह है तो वो भी साथ लेके बताना है. A car. So subject is he, object is a car, and the verb here is, Rishikesh, the verb here is?
Driving.
ing form में दिया मैंने.
Sorry, ma'am. Drive.
Drive. Okay, so drives is the verb. So you got the subject, we got the verb, we got the object. So active. So this is an example of an active sentence. Okay, so active sentence कैसे structure में कैसा हो जाएगा? Now look at the definition. A subject that acts upon its verb. Subject verb के ऊपर act करते हैं. Subject कौन है? He. He drives the car. Drive करते हैं किसको? कार को. Okay, subject that acts upon his verb. That is how the structure of active sentence goes. A subject and a verb and a verb that acts upon his object. Okay, that is how the structure of active voice goes. Whereas if I put this sentence in passive form, again look at the chat. What I'll do is a car is driven by him. A car is driven by him. So what I have done basically is ऑब्जेक्ट को मैंने उधर से निकाल के कन्वर्शन में एक्टिव को मैंने पासिव कन्वर्ट किया. कैसे कन्वर्ट किया? वो सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट क्या था? अ कार। सो वो ऑब्जेक्ट को मैंने उधर से निकाल के वो सब्जेक्ट के रूप में पहले डाला, अ कार। देन सेकंड स्टेप मैंने क्या किया, ड्राइव्स को, या ध्यान से सुनो, drives is simple present, and when simple present comes, this is the change of the verb in passive voice. drives को मैंने क्या किया, is driven बनाया। एंड फाइनली ही को कुछ करना है ना, ही को मैंने क्या किया, by डाल के him कर दिया। ओके, a car is driven by him. Yeah, Shantanu has given a detailed formula and all, that is correct. But rather than the formula, you should always keep in mind like that. The first step is object को subject के जगह पे डालना है। Second is according to the verb, that verb change करना है। Present है तो कैसा करना है, past है तो कैसा करना है, वो याद में रखना है। ऑलवेज याद करो, पैसिव वॉइस में V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब ही आना चाहिए। V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द, दैट इज व्हाई V3 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। V3 फॉर्म आना चाहिए पैसिव वॉइस में। फाइनली बाय हिम, समटाइम्स इट इज नॉट मेंशन दैट किसने किया, उस टाइम पे बाय हिम का जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन दिस इज नोइंगली और अननोइंगली ऑलवेज दैट सब्जेक्ट बाय हिम होना ही होना। ओके, सो अगेन लुक एट द स्क्रीन दैट्स बीन शेयर्ड। Everybody look. Passive voice, a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. Verb's action का recipient होगा subject, है ना? By him. By him मतलब recipient हुआ। As per the tenses, the construction will change when converting from active to passive. So tense के अनुसार वो construction in the tenses में changes होते रहते हैं। Simple present में is, am, are plus V3. Past है तो was, were plus V3. हमेशा सबके साथ V3 है। So वो table में आपको दे देंगे, don't worry. Now, the steps, just now what I have said, I have written it as steps. Steps for conversion from active to passive. Step 1 क्या है? Identify the subject and object in the sentence. Step 2 क्या है? Bring the object in the place of the subject. Step 3 क्या है? Change the tense according to the rule. According to the rule मतलब क्या है? Simple present के लिए क्या करना है? Simple past के लिए क्या करना है? अगर continuous आते हैं तो क्या करना है? वो रूल के अनुसार चेंज करना है। वो रूल्स हम आगे वाले स्लाइड्स में सीखेंगे। फाइनली क्या करना है? एड बाय डूअर, बाय किसने किया वो ऐड करना है। प्लीज टेक डाउन दिस स्लाइड फास्ट।
Ma'am, what do I have to do?
Better please take down this slide, write down this slide. Rameshwar, have you finished writing?
No, ma'am, just last one.
Okay. What about you, Rishikesh Supe?
No, ma'am, last 3 lines are remaining.
Okay. Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Rishikesh prepared then.
Okay. I think most of you have done. Shantanu, have you finished better writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, last 3 lines remaining.
Write it fast. I'll give you 2 more minutes.
Teacher, ma'am,
Yes.
my name,
Yes. Finish.
that last line is add by. After that, what?
Doer. DOER.
Yes, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay. Now let's see one table with an example of all the tenses. Okay, that's how we're going to learn it. That will help you to remember this. So again, I'm going to share a screen with one example which has all the tenses changed from active to passive. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So here what is omitted is that buy me, buy me, buy me. वो buy me मैंने नहीं लिखा because I is the subject, so everything के अंत में buy me होना है. So वो buy me omit किया, बाकी सब let's see. So first tense is simple present. So simple present में this sentence, one example is given. I make a cake. मैंने एक cake बनाऊंगी. I make a cake. Now, how will you convert active into passive? Now, just remember the rules. This sentence में I make a cake में subject कौन है? प्रज्योत है क्या क्लास में आज? प्रज्योत नहीं है. Sai, when I call the name, that person has to say the subject, verb, object of that sentence. I make a cake. Sai, subject, object, verb बोलो बेटा. I make cake में. Sai. Shantanu, हाँ बोलो.
I is subject, make is a verb, and a cake is object.
Okay, I is subject, make is verb, a cake is object. So what is our rule? Object को पहले subject के जगह पे convert करना है, उसके बाद tense के अनुसार change करना है. Okay, finally by doer डालना है. Let's see the same. So a cake has come to the front. So the passive voice में sentence case से start करूंगी, a cake से start करूंगी. If you see all the tenses में top to down passive में पूरा किसके साथ किया? A cake से start किया, object से ही start किया passive में. Now look at the change happening to that. So make is simple present. So when it comes in simple present, is made. Make has become is made. Okay. So right now I want you to understand from this table. Object हमेशा subject हो जाएगा. That's why throughout the tenses a cake से शुरू किया. So that is how object subject बनना है. ये tenses कैसे change करेंगे that हम और ध्यान करके सीखेंगे. Simple present make है तो वो कैसे बनाऊंगी? Is made. Present continuous. am making है तो is being made. Now made is the V3 form of make. So आदि से अंत तक made है. So V3 भी constant रहेगा. Subject object वो भी constant रहेगा. A cake made, a cake made, a cake made. See passive voice में a cake made that remains the same. So किधर the change हो जाएगा? Tenses में tenses के अनुसार change हो गए. ये देखो simple present make is made बनाया. am making is being made बनाया. Made was made बनाया. Was making was being made बनाया. Have made has been made बनाया. Had made had been made बनाया. Will be. I'm going to is going to be. Must be. Should have been. Okay. So please take this column and that red में उन्होंने किया ना, आप भी कुछ color difference वगैरह डालना है और underline करना है. That is the change that you have to learn it by heart. Next time when I'm giving you an example, you have to make the changes essay. Please take down this slide fast.
Okay, done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Write it neatly in columns and make necessary color changes or underline it. You should know the difference. Simple present में आना है तो इसके साथ V3. Present continuous है तो is plus being plus V3. Okay, that is easy to learn because continuous है तो already ing. So एक being ing उधर भी चाहिए passive में. Past symbol है तो made V2 form है तो was plus V3. Past simple past में was plus V3. Past continuous में was being plus V3. Present perfect में has been plus V3. Past perfect में had been. Perfect में इसी है, एक been होना है, has been plus V3, had been plus V3. Future में will be plus V3. Future be going to means future continuous. Is going to be is something which is continuous as a future continuous. Modal must can may ऐसे कुछ भी आते हैं तो be चाहिए V3 के पहले. Modal perfect should have है तो should have been. वो difference change just आपको समझ में आना है, उसके अनुसार समझ में आके लिखना है. Don't just copy, understand it and write. Okay. Shall I close the screen? Shall I close the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to give you one more example. This is also a column. Without example, it is just mentioning the change in the tenses. Just take the screenshot. Fast, everyone. This or the first column that I have given now, you can compare it. This is the tenses alone, how changes will happen in the tenses alone with one simple word. Sentence nahi hai, sirf take one example, take hai to am taken, is taken, are taken. Am taking, is taking, are taking active voice में आते हैं तो passive voice में am being taken, is being taken, are being taken ऐसे आ जाता है. Taken the screenshot? Fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, इसका remaining भी. Please take the screenshot of this as well and copy it into your notebook.
Ma'am, right now?
Yes. Hope you have taken both the screenshot. Write it fast. There is no need of any teaching here. Even if I teach, I don't teach, you have to know this. Right now, I'm going to give you exercises based on what we have learned today. So all these things should be there in your notebook. First few examples you can refer and write. That is how you need to practice. I'm going to give you 4 to 5 questions after this. So वो question solve करने के लिए आपको ये table चाहिए. So make sure that you are taking down all the tables and you're going through all the tables. So screenshot लिया, वो दोनों अभी notebook में वो copy करना है. Fast. finished writing? Anybody? Okay, Rohit has done. Very good.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Here are just 4 questions based on what you have learned today. Okay. So what are the first step? Before going into the questions for exercise, we will just practice or brush up on what are the steps to be taken when converting from active to passive. What is the very first step we need to do, beta Rameshwar? एक क्वेश्चन आपके हाथ में है, फर्स्ट क्या देखना है उसका? रामेश्वर नहीं है क्या? रामेश्वर, रामेश्वर,
यस मैम, उसका ऑब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट देखना है।
हाँ ऑब्जेक्ट देखना है पहले एंड ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट के जगह में लेके आना है। वेरी गुड। नंबर 2 सेकंड क्या देखना है ऋषिकेश तुपे? उसका रोहित निम्बेलकर बोलो बेटा, रोहित बोलो। उसका
मैम
वर्ब
ऑब्जेक्ट को
देखना है।
सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे लेके आना है।
क्या बेटा?
मैम ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे लेके आना है।
वो हो गया स्टेप नंबर 1, ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट के जगह पे लेके।
टेंस देखना है, टेंस देखना है
टेंस
उसका।
देखना है और टेंस क्या है उसके अनुसार वो एक्ट पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करना है। सो वो चेंज के लिए हमने ये 2 कॉलम सब लिखाया। सो यू कैन रेफरेंस ये टेक्स्ट, यू कैन रेफर एंड अकॉर्डिंगली एज पर द सब्जेक्ट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट है तो सिंपल पास्ट है या फ्यूचर है, पास्ट परफेक्ट है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है, उसके अनुसार वो चेंज करना है। सो शैल आई गिव यू 4 क्वेश्चंस on based on what you have learned today? Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can everybody make it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I'm going to give you 4 questions. Please, it's easy. ध्यान से देखना है. It might look sometimes little hard, only 4 questions, but do it fast. And when you write it answer, no, don't just directly write it answer. For the practice sake, मैंने कैसे सिखाया ऐसे step 1 step no. Definitely you need to mark the subject object because once I discuss the answer no ऐसे ही पूछेंगे subject क्या है, object क्या है, verb क्या है, verb किस tense में है, वो सब मैंने पूछेंगे answer discuss करने के समय. So वो सब make sure that you are marking it in the answer. Okay, do it fast, all the best.
Hello.
Yes, who is that?
आवाज नहीं येते.
Who has just spoken? Tell me who has just spoken. Those who are in the class, they know what to do. They are doing questions based on today's learning. So those who
I
have
know
just
English.
who is speaking? Sai, is that you?
No, ma'am.
Then who is the one who just spoke?
Ma'am, I think that Bunty name was came on screen.
What?
Bunty म्हणून नाव आलं तर
Rishikesh sir, are you there? Anyways, you ignore it. I don't think it's a proper student. You keep doing it. Shall we start discussing the answers? Finished everyone? Ayush, did you finish better?
No.
Why did you change your audio again? You know how to become, keep the perfect audio. Today also your audio sucks. Rishikesh, have you finished doing it?
Ma'am, I am not able to make the answer of the third one.
बाकी सब किया? हाँ, third one
Yes,
थोड़ा सा
ma'am.
tricky है. Fine. Shantanu beta. Okay, 3 I will discuss. Baki, let's see. They have videoed the program. Okay, I would like to ask this question to Ari Patil. They have videoed the program. Ari Patil, can you hear me? Ari Patil, can you hear me? No response. Ajinkya, can you hear me? Ashutosh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashutosh, in that first question, they have videoed the program. Which is the subject? Which is the object? Could you please tell me? Ashutosh.
Yes, ma'am. They the subject.
Okay.
Video is the verb. The program is the object.
Very good. There is the subject. Have videoed is the verb. And the program is the object. So क्या करना है हमारा first step क्या है? Object को subject के जगह में लाना है. How that is how our answer will start in passive voice. So the first word should be the program. Now have videoed में क्या change होना है? Have video क्या? Which tense है have videoed? Have videoed is a present perfect tense है. उसको हम पासिव में कैसे करेंगे? एक बीन भी इसके साथ ऐड करना है. Have been हो जाएगा. So the answer will be the program have been videoed by. They will become them. Okay. He will become him. She will become her. They will become them. We will become us. वो change में याद में रखना है. I haven't given that slide, but always understand the change in the pronouns. They will become them. I will become me. We will become us. She will become her. He will become him. Okay? Okay? Okay. Next one, my father will write a letter. Ayush wants to say the answer in chat. Okay, Ayush, say the answer. So, while the answer comes, the subject is my father. Will write is the verb. A letter is the object. So, हमारा sentence किसके साथ start करना है? Object के साथ start करना है. A letter. Now, will, yes. Will कैसे? आकाश also gave the answer. Will का क्या change होना है? हमने column लिखा. Will be होना है. So, a letter will be written. Right का V3 है written. किसने लिखा? By my father. A letter will be written by my father. Third one, sub, yes, sub याद रखो. I mean, ध्यान से सुनो. He kept me waiting. Now, in this sentence, the subject is he. सबको पता है, subject is he. And verb is kept. Keep का past tense है kept. So kept is in V2 form. वो भी याद रखो. Now, what is the object? इधर का object me है. Waiting is just additional gerund infinitive verb है. Okay, finite verb kept है. उसके अनुसार हम tense को देखना है. Kept is in past tense. उसके अनुसार change होना है. Now, waiting is just an infinitive participle gerund पढ़ने के समय हम समझ में आएगा. That is just an ing form of verb which will not change according to the subject. इधर का हमको क्या चाहिए? सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट हमको चाहिए. इधर का ऑब्जेक्ट मी है, सो मी से स्टार्ट करना है. बहुत लोगों को इधर का ऑब्जेक्ट में कंफ्यूजन है. दैट इज व्हाई दे से दैट देयर आंसर इज कंफ्यूजिंग. ही केप्ट मी वेटिंग. सो मी इज द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दैट ऑब्जेक्ट को हम सब्जेक्ट के जगह में लेके जाने के समय उसको क्या चेंज हो रहा है? इट विल बिकम आई. ही केप्ट मी वेटिंग. I now kept past tense है. past tense को क्या change होना है passive voice में? Was plus V3. Was plus kept का V3 है. So I was kept waiting by him. That is the answer. Rishikesh Supe, please write the answer. I was kept waiting by him. And I understood. So I think you understood how it came. बेटा इधर object is me. Me subject के जगह पे me से हम start नहीं करते. So I kept will become was kept waiting by him. Write the answer. I was kept waiting by him. All those who had confusions, write the answer. I was kept waiting by him. Shantanu?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
the answer. Now you
Yes.
understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last one. He scored 20 runs. Easy peasy. I would like Akash to say the answer. He scored 20 runs. Akash, 20 runs scored by him कैसे आ जाएगा बेटा? Scored का change कैसे होना है? अगर कुछ sentence past में आते हैं तो क्या डालना है scored के पहले? scored it in past tense. Active में past tense है तो passive में was plus V3. हाँ ऐसे बोलो अभी आंसर. 20 runs was. now 20 runs plural है so where scored नहीं आता है. 20 runs को हम singular ही करेंगे. हम वे रूल हम सीखा है बहुत सारा है तो भी runs, miles, 6 kilometers ऐसे सब सिंगुलर में ही कंसीडर करते हैं. So 20 runs is singular. 20 runs was scored by him. Very good, Akash. Very good, very good. Shivtej, very good. Shantanu, very good. So I hope today what we have learned regarding active and passive has been clear to everyone. Don't just close your book, essay, and come tomorrow. Go through that table again and again. Okay? Thorough. Make that table thorough. Then only you will be able to manage the grammar part. And as always, learn maximum V1, V2, V3 of every words. Every day, 5 words, 10 words. ये मैंने पहले से बताया. Please do it every day. Have a nice day. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye.